This week on Keeping Up with the Parkers. And guess where we are? IKEA. Hey Park Peeps. We are with Fam Bam. And guess where we are? IKEA.
It's good.
Oh.
I didn't expect it to be on. All right, y'all come on now.
Baby boy, I'm hungry.
Yeah. Good talk to your mama. We're making that kitchen style. She don't lie down. Can't take it home.
There is something for everyone. You checking out the mini house? Now that's neat for the closets. You got all the mirror you need.
So our parents are in town, and our dad is helping us put up some shelves in our closet just so we can have a little bit more space on the floor so we can put our shoes on the wall. So that's what they're doing now. So hubby and dad is prepping to put these shelves on the wall. We purchased 5 of them from IKEA, and I really hope that this works because it would help us a lot. So, yeah, let's do it.
So still the one that's on this side?
Yes.
You can get it in one.
Hey Parker peeps. So I'm so sorry that we wasn't able to show you how we got the shelves up. Like I said, Daddy P and hubby went to put the shelves up, and I went to go make some dinner. And as soon as I walked back in the room, they were finished. That's how quick it was to put the shelves up. So just letting you know that those shelves are pretty easy to assemble. We purchased them from IKEA. We got 5 of them, and I think we're gonna get a few more just so we can have a little bit more space on the other side. But other than that, I'm happy we got the shelves. I'm happy I was able to share what I could with you. But we will see you again in our next video.